Hello everyone. I'm going to talk about three common ICMP Echo Reply messages. Most of us we are using ICMP protocol or ping tool for the some network troubleshoot. So it's giving some echo replay message when you troubleshoot your network. So I'm going to talk about the most popular three common echo replay messages. What's the behind that? What's the issue on that? So let's begin with that. The first one I'm going to talk about is the destination host unreachable. There are two reasons. There can be two reasons for this echo reply. No route for destination host in the local node, or no route for destination host in the default gateway. Okay, so let's discuss about this first case. In this topology, there are two VLANs, the VLAN 100 and VLAN 200. There is a router for the gateway for these two VLANs. When we talk about this VLAN 100, it's a layer 2 network. So you guys know basically when you send a packet within the same VLAN, the packet will go to the switch will do the MAC resolution, then it will forward back to the destination host in the same VLAN. When you ping or when you send a packet to some different subnet or some different VLAN, it will go through the router will do the routing, then it will go back to the destination host. So now I'm going to ping a node which is not exist in the same in the VLAN 100. So we can see the echo reply message. So what's the echo reply message will come with this activity. So I'm going to open the PC1 here. So this is a PC1 here. I'm going to ping IP address in the VLAN 100, but it's not exist. The node is not exist, but just I'm pinging that IP. I will see what's the echo message will come on that. So I'm going to choose the IP 10.1.1.5. It's not exist in the VLAN 100 anyway. So you can see the echo reply message, destination host unreachable. So what's the reason for this is the local host, the PC1 here, there are no route for this 10.1.1.5. So it's cannot able to do the MAC resolution in the switch to reach this node, because this node is not exist in the VLAN. So this is the first reason for this message. Okay. The second reason for this, no route for destination host in the default gateway. Okay, we will see that issue. Let's see, now we have two VLANs. So I'm going to ping this PC1. I'm going to ping this PC3 from PC1. So we'll see what's the echo replay message. 192, 168, 1.2. I can able to ping. The echo reply message is fine, it's successful. I'm able to get the reply message from the destination host. So I'm sending the packet. It will reach to the router. Router will route back to the this destination host here, PC3. The reply message also came the same way. It's fine. There are no any issue. So router is doing the routing in exactly, it's fine. So I'm going to open this router here. there are two interfaces for the gateway. So VLAN 100, the gateway is the 10.1.1. The VLAN 200, the gateway is 192.168.1.1. So there are two connected interfaces. So if I see the routing table here, I can able to reach both network through the same router. It's called inter-VLAN routing. So it's fine. I can able to see the subnet of this VLAN and this VLAN, the VLAN 100 and VLAN 200. So what I'm going to do here now, I'm going to turn off the VLAN 200 from the routing table. Then we will see what's the echo message will come in the PC1. Okay. So I'm going to shut down the interface of VLAN 200. Okay, the router. If you shut down that interface, the routing table will tear off the particular subnet from the routing table. So if you see that the routing table, you can see here for 192.168.1.0 for this subnet, there are no route for that. So route is null. So I'm going to ping this node from PC1. So we will see what's the echo message will pop up. 192.168.1.2. So I'm getting the same reply, echo reply, destination host unreachable from the gateway. So this is the gateway 10.1.1.1. This is the gateway of this PC. So the gateway, the router is replying back the particular destination is not reachable because the router itself does not having route for this subnet. So that is the reason for that. These are the two reasons for this. So the second issue I'm going to talk about is a request timeout. So this echo reply message mostly we are getting the reason for this reason. The route is available for the destination host, but it's not reachable. There can be a different reason for that. So the one of the reason is that in case the PC3 which I am trying to ping from here to here, if it is not available, it is shut down, then you cannot able to reach that host. So the echo reply message, it will be a request timeout. And but the routing perspective, the route is available for that particular host, but it cannot reach due to the reason because of that machine shutdown, or if any firewall in the middle between this PC and the router or somewhere, if firewall is making any filtration or something, then it cannot able to reach. So the echo reply message will be request timeout. Okay, so let's try this. So I'm going to shut down the interface in the switch, the interface which is connecting to this PC3. Okay, I'm going to shut down the interface of PC3 here. So let's try the ping again, the same node. Now the echo reply is request timeout. So what you can assume, there is a route in the routing table for that particular uh, host, but it cannot reach because something wrong in the destination node, the this 192.168.1.2 or this PC, something wrong to reach this host. So here the reason is the port is shut down here. So I have shut down the port. So in this case, you don't need to check anything in the local host or any IP address or anything. So it's fine in the local host, but the problem is in the destination host. So the another reason, another issue is the TTL expired in the transit. Most probably, when you do a ping, you can see this kind of echo reply message. This is completely issue with the routing loop. So there is a routing loop in the middle between the two routers, between this originating PC and the destination PC. There are some couple of routers. So these routers having some routing loop. So that's a reason for this TTL expiring the transit. Okay, I'm not going with the high level explanation on this because it's having some deep explanation in the routing perspective. So you can contact your network administrator to troubleshoot this routing loop. So when you do the trace route for the same node, you can see this kind of routing loop. Okay, it will back and forth. So if you see any kind of TTL expire in transit echo reply message in the output, you can do the trace route to the same IP. You will see this kind of trace route messages. It will the packet will roll up between the two nodes, or it will be a route loop. So you can contact the network guy to fix this issue. It's a completely routing issue. So hope you guys understand what is the reason behind these three ICMP echo replay message. So if anything, you can comment on this. Thank you for watching. Bye.